Hey, Bryan here from Cars in Tillsonburg. We're going to show you today the 350 small block that we've just got finished building for Rene to watch here. Rene, this is your engine and you're going to get to hear it. You're the first one. We've rebuilt this crush hour machine. This is a fresh rebuild from Crush Hour. It's basically a 350 small block, all been freshened up, heads, bearings, all internals are all brand new. We put a Edelbrock intake on it and a Edelbrock carburetor. We put a GM cam, 327, 365 horse GM spec cam in it. Just a nice sound to it for the drive-in and that rock and roll. It gives you that old-time feeling. Brandon and Lee and I today put this thing in. This is our engine break-in stand. What we do is try to put an engine together, get it all bolted up, and actually start it up and run it for a while so we can see if there's any leaks or any other work that has to be done. So we've wired it all up here with all the pinnings that are going to go on it when we put it back in the car. So what you're going to see here is how it starts and runs. What we got here is an oil pressure gauge, and that's going to show us what the oil pressure is once it gets warmed up. So from here on in, you're probably not going to be able to hear me talk. So what we're going to do, and this is for you, Rene, is we're going to give her a start here.